Hello and welcome. In today's lesson, we are going to learn the Pashto letter Z. We will practice how to write it, see which letters it can be joined with, and learn some example words. Let's start with Z. In our last video, we covered the letter R. So if you haven't watched that yet, be sure to check it out. And if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. You can follow along with every new lesson. Let's begin. This from the same category that we did like in the previous class like array. Uh, this is also the letters that we just can connect another letter with them to the right side. To the left side we can't connect another letter. Z when it came at the initial style is this one, in middle part is coming like this, final join is this one, final join is this one. In a word, for example, we have Zukam. Zukam. Zukam means cold. The zukam it's kind of disease. The zukam I have cold. The I zukam cold. Yam, like is, I am cold or I have cold, but that is correct. In Pashto we say the zukam I have cold. If we translate this, like the zukam laram, but we didn't say like this. When we say the zukam I am like this. The zukam I have cold. Taham zukam Taham zukam Do you have cold too? The you ham to zukam cold ye like do you have cold too? This one is intonation question. Look, we must write our intonation at the end. Like for example, we didn't have do in this sentence. If we have do, like then we say like oh yeah. Formal question is oh yeah. But this one is intonation question that we must write our voice at the end. Taham zukam Do you have a cold too? Yeah. Mungu dwara zukam you. Mungu dwara zukam you. It means we both have cold. Mungu we dwara both. Zukam you have cold. Mungu dwara zukam you. We both have cold. Another word that is coming on it, for example, like bazgar. Bazgar. Bazgar means farmer. بزگر خب زلمای بزگر دی زلمای بزگر دی It means زلمای is farmer. زلمای private name زلمای بزگر farmer دی is زلمای بزگر دی زلمای is farmer. زلمای بزگر دی زلمای is farmer. We have زه بزگری خوښوم. زه بزګري خوښوم. I like farming. Look, I بزګري farming خوښوم like. Look, in the previous video also I mentioned that with some names when we give add your to them is changed to like the occupation. For example, بزګر بزګري. For example, معلم teacher معلمي teaching. For example, driver drivery driving. When we give or plus your to them is changed to the occupation. زه بزګري خوښوم. I like farming. بزګران په ځمکه کې کار کوي. بزګران په ځمکه کې کار کوي. It means farmers works in the fields. بزګران farmer. په ځمکه کې in the fields. کار کوي work. بزګران په ځمکه کې کار کوي. Farmers works in the fields. زده کړه زده کړه زده کړه means education. ښه زده کړه د راتلونکي لپاره ضروري ده. ښه زده کړه د راتلونکي لپاره ضروري ده. It means good learning is necessary for the future. ښه good زده کړه learning د راتلونکي لپاره for the future. راتلونکي future لپاره for the future. ضروري necessary ده is. ښه زده کړه د راتلونکي لپاره ضروري ده. Good learning is necessary for the future. زه د خپلې خوښې کتاب څخه زده کړه کوم. زه د خپلې خوښې کتاب څخه زده کړه کوم. It means I learn from the book I like. زه د خپلې خوښې کتاب The book I like خوښې I like کتاب book څخه from زده کړه کوم learn. زه د خپلې خوښې کتاب څخه زده کړه کوم. I learn from the book I like. ماشوم د ښوونکي څخه زده کړه کوي. ماشوم د ښوونکي څخه زده کړه کوي. It means the child learn from the teacher. Yeah. Now is the time to practice all this sentence with me. I will say and you can repeat after me. The only way to learn the language is practice and practice. Let's practice again. زکام زکام cold. زکام زکام cold. زه زکام یم. زه زکام یم. I have cold. ته هم زکام یې. ته هم زکام یې. Do you have cold too? مونږ دواړه زکام یو. مونږ دواړه زکام یو. We both have cold. بزګر بزګر farmer. زلمی بزګر دی. زلمی بزګر دی. زلمی is farmer. زه بزګري خوښوم. زه بزګري خوښوم. I like farming. بزګران په ځمکه کې کار کوي. بزګران په ځمکه کې کار کوي. Farmers works in the fields. زده کړه زده کړه education. ښه زده کړه د راتلونکي لپاره ضروري ده. ښه زده کړه د راتلونکي لپاره ضروري ده. Good learning is necessary for the future. زه د خپلې خوښې کتاب څخه زده کړه کوم. زه د خپلې خوښې کتاب څخه زده کړه کوم. I learn from the book I like. ماشوم د ښوونکي څخه زده کړه کوي. ماشوم د ښوونکي څخه زده کړه کوي. The child learn from the teacher. If you would like to learn Pashto Deri online, feel free to contact me. I'll got hundreds of students and deliver thousands of hours on different online platforms like Itacan quickly. You can check out my students' review there to see what they say about learning with me. If you want a complete course, you can enroll on Udemy. The link is in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future lessons. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'll be happy to respond. Thank you for watching and look forward to seeing you in the next lesson.